Are you looking to buy a home that needs a little love, or maybe give your current home a fresh new look? A renovation home loan might be the perfect solution. In this video, we'll walk you through what a renovation loan is, how it works. What is a renovation home loan? A renovation home loan is a type of mortgage that lets you borrow money to both purchase a home and make repairs or improvements to it. It combines the cost of buying the house and the cost of renovations into one single loan. This way, you don't have to get a separate loan or come up with extra cash after you buy the house. It's all handled at once, making it simpler and easier to start your renovation project right after closing. If you found a home with great potential, but it needs a little work, this type of loan can help you turn that fixer-upper into the perfect place for you and your family. How does a renovation loan work? Here's how the process works. First, find a home. The first step is choosing a house that needs some repairs or upgrades. It could be a property that requires small changes like new flooring, or bigger projects like a new roof or kitchen remodel. Next, get a contractor's estimate. Once you pick the home, you'll need to get an estimate from a licensed contractor for the repairs or renovations. This is important because it helps determine how much money you'll need for the project. Then, loan amount. Your loan amount will include the cost of the home plus the estimated cost of the renovations. This means you're borrowing enough to cover both the purchase and the repairs in one loan. After that, appraisal based on future value. The home will be appraised based on how much it will be worth after the renovations are completed. This is important because it gives lenders confidence that the home's value will increase after the work is done. Next, close on the loan. Once everything is approved, you'll close on the loan. Then the funds for the home purchase will be released, and the money for the renovations will be set aside in an escrow account. Finally, complete the renovations. After you close on the home, your contractor will get to work on the repairs or upgrades. The renovation funds will be paid out as the work is completed, making sure the project stays on track. Why choose a renovation loan? There are a few great reasons why a renovation loan might be the right choice for you. One loan, one payment. Instead of juggling multiple loans or credit cards to cover the cost of home repairs, you get everything in one mortgage. This means one loan payment to manage, which is easier on your budget. Buy more affordable homes. Homes that need some work are often priced lower, so you can find great deals on houses that just need a bit of fixing up. With a renovation loan, you can afford to make those improvements right away. Increase your home's value. By making smart renovations, you can boost your home's value. This is great whether you plan to live in the home long term or sell it later on. Types of renovation loans. There are a few different types of renovation loans you might consider. FHA 203K loan. This is a government-backed loan that allows you to finance both the home purchase and renovations. It's popular because it has flexible credit requirements. Fannie Mae Home Style R loan. This conventional loan also lets you combine the cost of the home and renovations. It offers more flexibility with the types of renovations you can make. VA Renovation Loan. If you're a veteran or service member, you may be eligible for a VA renovation loan. This type of loan is backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs and allows for home improvements. Each loan has its own requirements, so it's important to choose the one that fits your situation best. Is a renovation loan right for you? If you're excited about the idea of customizing your home but don't have the upfront cash to pay for repairs or upgrades, a renovation loan can make it happen. It's a great way to buy a home with potential and create a space that works for you, all with just one loan. Whether you're buying your first home, upgrading your current one, or just looking for a smart way to finance home improvements, a renovation loan offers flexibility and convenience. If you're interested in learning more about renovation loans or want to see if it's the right option for you, connect with us today. We're here to help you every step of the way, from finding the right loan to making your dream home a reality. For more information, be sure to reach out, and let's get started on your home renovation journey.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Mitchell Milat, or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.